Elephant's toothpaste is one of the most cool experiments that you actually see in chemistry, and it involves this stuff, hydrogen peroxide, and we add a catalyst to this with a little bit of this wonderful yellow liquid, washing up liquid, and possibly with a bit of dye we can make elephant's toothpaste. Let's have a go. I'm going to have a go at doing the elephant's toothpaste experiment, but what I'm going to do is without the normal ingredient of washing up liquid, so we can see what really goes on. I've got here some hydrogen peroxide solution, and I'm going to take 25 mils of this, and I'm going to put that into a conical flask. The hydrogen peroxide is much stronger than you'd normally be able to buy in a normal shop pharmacist, and I'm going to use a catalyst to get this going, which is here some manganese dioxide, and I just want a small amount. Right, we ready? 3, 2, 1, go. As you see, oxygen was produced and a lot of white sort of smoke, which isn't smoke, it's in fact steam, as this is now boiling hot, and we produced boiling water that was produced alongside the oxygen. Now if we repeat this experiment but add some washing up liquid, the oxygen bubbles will get captured in there. But when I do this, it's never quite so exciting, as you can see. 2, 1, go. Let's now have a go at this with the elephant's toothpaste by putting in a little bit of washing up liquid, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this experiment round the other way, in that I'm going to put my catalyst in there first, and hopefully by doing this we'll manage to keep the catalyst working better and not get it all ejected in one go. So let's take some 25 mils of hydrogen peroxide, and let's be approximate, and let's put this in and see what happens. 3, 2, 1, go. When some people do this, they manage to get this to hit the ceiling. None of mine seem to be quite that enthusiastic, but it's still working quite nicely, making oodles of elephant's toothpaste.